What's up, everybody? My name is Matty Miles, and on my behalf, welcome to the Passive Income System. In case you guys don't know who I am, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a digital online entrepreneur, and I am also an affiliate marketer. And today, I am going to give to you 100% free access to an online passive income system that we have developed so that anybody can start generating income that day. You can literally sign up for this, follow the steps that I show you, and start making money immediately. People around the world are using this system every single day to generate thousands and thousands of dollars per month. Thousands of dollars. Now, everybody out there is kind of looking for the one thing they can do to, get rich quick or whatever. None of that's ever going to happen, you guys. There's no such thing as a get rich quick scheme. But this right here is seriously as close as you can get. It is a 100% automated. It's done for you. It's shareable. So once I teach you how to do it, you can teach your friend how to do it, and that will make you more money. It's super simple. It's super fun. It's super easy to do. You're going to love it. I'm absolutely sure that you're going to love it. If you watch to the end, if you go through the steps and take the time to understand it and implement it, you guys will absolutely love it. Now, you might be asking yourself, if this is such a great system, I'm going to make so much money, blah, 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 why is this guy giving it away for free? And that is a really good question, and I get it almost every single day. But it has a really, really, really simple answer. And that simple answer is because I refer you to affiliate programs, I make a small commission off of that. And as you go through this 100% done for you automated system, you will understand that more, and you will also understand how you can utilize that to start creating a passive income for yourself. People all over the world are starting to learn how to do this, and they are living the kind of life that most people only dream of. People are traveling 100% of their time, working from their laptops, making more money than anybody with a college degree. And that's not just a associate's or a bachelor's or a master's. People that are doing this and doing it well are making more money than people with the top PhDs in the world. You guys, you need to learn how to do this. You need to start creating an online passive income for yourselves today so that you can have this kind of dream life as well, right? Now, I want to share that kind of dream life with you guys, and that is why we have created this system that is literally just plug and play, you guys. You can't go wrong with it. Teach you every single step of the way. That's why we created it for you. It's duplicatable and it's free. So we're going to head on over to my laptop now, and I am going to show you exactly how it works and teach you how you can get started creating your passive income system today as well. All right, I'll see you right over there on my laptop in just a second. All right, so we're just on my laptop now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this passive income system works. So basically what this is just a secret hack that we've created that utilizes a few different affiliate networks out there to generate multiple streams of income in this one amazing system. So there's lots of great affiliate networks out there, but what most of them do is require you to create multiple websites or already have a massive following, But what we've done here is we've taken the best little bits from just a few different affiliate programs, and we've put them all into one done-for-you passive income system. As I said before, this system is really easy to use. It's all completely done for you. It's all automated. You can start using it as soon as today. It has everything that you could possibly need, already done for you. It's so stupid easy. It's literally just click, automate, and execute. Right. So again, there is no selling required. There is no building a whole bunch of different websites required. And there is no need to have a massive audience. AKA, you don't need to have 1,000 followers on Facebook or Instagram to make this work for you. It is completely automated, and I'm going to give you access to it here in just a second, 100% free. The other great thing about this is you do not have to do any selling whatsoever at all. You do not have to contact anybody. There's no phone calling. There's no reaching out to people on the internet trying to get them to come buy your product. Okay, so step one, the first thing that you guys need to do is sign up to a website called Earn Easy Commissions. Now, Earn Easy Commissions is just one of the first affiliate networks that we're going to be utilizing to create some passive income. So all you got to do is click the button below right here, and it's going to take you on over to this page right here. So again, just click on this button right here, create your free account. It's going to take you through to this page right here, and all you need to do is create your free account. Now, Earn Easy Commissions is just an affiliate network that's going to pay you $1 for every single person that you get to sign up for a free account as well. And we're going to utilize that to create some passive income. Once you create a free account, it is next going to take you, so create your free account, and then it's going to take you right over to this page right here. Now, you can watch this video if you like, but the system that we built for you here does everything for you. You don't need to watch this. We're just taking a little bit from the system, and then we're going to move on to the next step. All right? The important part here is to make sure that you add your PayPal account, because without this information in here, you guys, you're not going to get paid the $1 for every time that you get somebody to sign up. So this is super key. Make sure that you do this, because that's the entire purpose of this system that we're building, is so that you guys can have passive income that's completely automated and done for you. All right. Okay. So once you've updated your PayPal settings into here, you click on step number 2 and come on down here, and we're going to grab our referral link. And what happens now is every time that you get somebody to sign up through your referral link for Easy Earn Commissions, you make $1. And you might be wondering why these guys would be willing to pay you $1 every single time that you get somebody to sign up for a free account. And that's because these guys have a sort of VIP package upsell on their back end, where not only they make a lot more of money, but their affiliates can make a lot more money too. But we're not going to worry about that right now, because we're just going to grab this one little piece and put it into our system so that it'll start creating easy passive income for you guys today. So grab your link, and then we're going to head back on over to this page right here. And the next step is just click on this button, which is going to take you over to step 2. And in step 2 is where I'm going to give you guys this already built, done for you, automated passive system where you can start using Earn Easy Commissions to make passive income online. But not only that, we are going to also incorporate other affiliate offers into it as well that will let you generate much, much more passive income than just $1 per sale. All right, so you can't do this though until you first create your Easy Earn Commissions account. This is free. Just go do it. Sign up for Easy Earn Commissions. Update your PayPal information. Go grab your affiliate link, copy it to your clipboard, and then come back over here and click on step 2. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right. See you there.